In the Market tab, you will find all 84 coins VirgoCX offers. Click on any coin to see its personal graph. You can look at it through a candle or line graph to check out price updates. For a deeper analysis, check out the Popular tab, which indicates which coins have the most trading volume on our platform. For recent price changes, check out gainers and losers. To see which coins have multiple trading pairs, click on a coin and then click the coin at the top. From there, you can see the many coins that have trading pairs related to CAD, USD, and USDC. Keep in mind that not every coin has the same trading pairs. Majority of them are paired with CAD, while only a select few are with USD. Now, the reason why those are so important is because the trading pairs affect how big the spread will be when trading. So if I go to Doge, for example, and then I go USDC, trade, advanced trading, the spread shown here is 0.5%. But if I switch it to CAD, the spread is now 1.6%. Now again, many coins have different pairings, so they won't all be the same.